Hi, this is Spencer from Para Solutions, and today I'm going to walk you through the first part of setting up an investment in Global Innovation Fund System. So the first thing we're going to do is create a new account. To the Accounts tab and click New. We'll click Business Account and type in our account name, and we'll click Save. Most likely you won't need to do this as your account will already be set up by another team member. Once we created our account, the next thing we're going to do is set up the deal. So if we scroll down to the deal related list, we'll click New Deal and we'll enter a deal name. We'll select today as the close date for our deal, and we'll select a stage. In this case, we'll say Preparing for Decision Panel and click Save. When the investment team is ready to move forward with the deal, they'll update the stage to Funding Dispersed in Portfolio. Once they do this, this is going to kick off a process builder in our system that's going to create a new investment record. So we'll go ahead and click Save, and we'll see that a new investment has been created. The investment will have the same name as our deal, as well as the same account. We'll navigate to our investment by clicking on the investment name, and we can see that some information has been pre-filled from the deal. The next thing that we'll do on our investment is scroll down to the related list at the bottom and connect our investment to the SDGs. In this case, SDGs have already been set up in the system, so we can use the lookup and choose from already created SDGs. We can connect it to as many as we like, and then click Save. Next, we'll create objectives for our investment. We'll click the Objectives tab and click New. In the Objective ID field, we'll input the name of our objective. In the definition field, we can choose to give more context about it. We can also relate it to another objective, or click Save. We'll go back to our investment and scroll down to the Investment Objectives section. Here we'll click New Investment Objective, and we'll link our investment to one of our objectives. If we click the lookup icon, we'll see a list of all of the objectives in our system. We can choose to use any of these. We'll select an objective and click Save. This objective has now been linked to our investment. The next thing we'll do from our investment page is create reporting periods. To do this, we'll scroll down to the reporting periods section on the related list and click New. Here we'll give our reporting period a name. This name is going to be the name that shows up on the table where our investees will input their results and where our team will set targets. Make sure that this name is something short but intuitive for the user. Next, you'll select the report type. The report type is important because this is going to allow us to automatically create connections between our reporting periods and our indicators. For example, if we choose a monthly report type, on our Set Targets page or Add Results page, when we select our monthly reporting period, we will only see indicators that have also been marked as monthly. We'll go ahead and select quarterly in this case. Next, we can set the reporting period start date. Next, we'll go ahead and select our reporting period end date. The reporting period end date is going to be the default for the results current as of date, unless a user decides to override that value. For now, we'll set the reporting period end date as March 31st. Next, you'll see the results status pick list. GIF can choose to mark results as scheduled, in progress. Once results have been submitted by the investee, however, this status will automatically change to submitted. For now, we'll leave it blank. In the required documents section, we can specify what documents we expect the investee to upload for this reporting period. Here you can use rich text formatting to have a nice list of documents. Once we've finished, we'll click Save. We'll return to our investment and see on the related list that our reporting period has been created. Next, we'll go to the Manage Indicators page to create our first indicator.